The pulse of the market drives the heart of manufacturing. Shifts in demand test the agility of supply chains. When traditional logistics isolate data and create bottlenecks, we choose to reimagine the DNA of logistics with technology, unlocking the future of intelligent supply chains.
To win the future, in addition to having long-term view, we must act early. Since 2019, through the in-depth cooperation between the two teams of Siemens and Geekplus, we have overcome many challenges, create a full automated process for material handling from warehouse to the production line.
Over 100 robots, 6 categories, 9 systems seamlessly connected. A powerful robotic force reshaping workflows and enabling lean digital transformation. End-to-end integration across the supply chain. Orders flow through SAP, MES, WMS, and RMS, reaching every robot in real time. With just-in-time precision replenishment and real-time inventory visibility, materials arrive just in time, reducing inventory pressure while flexibly responding to customer demand fluctuations. PFEP-driven full lifecycle planning enables tailored paths for every SKU, from attributes to delivery, achieving precise item-specific management. The intelligent recognition system swiftly scans and accurately sorts items into storage, while updating inventory levels and locations in real time. WMS and IQC work seamlessly. As goods arrive, WMS sends commands instantly, and IQC performs full inspections in milliseconds. Robots deliver goods precisely from storage to workstations, allowing employees to receive items without leaving their posts. Whether large containers or small parts, seamless adaptation is guaranteed.
All those messy paper slips are now in a smart pocket. Everything's faster. Material status and storage info come up in seconds. The workplace feels cleaner too.
I've been with the company for over 30 years, and this smart transformation has truly made work easier and less physically demanding.
Intelligent slotting optimizes storage for irregular, medium, and small parts, demonstrating smart and efficient warehouse operations powered by technology. Upper-level storage maximizes the warehouse's vertical space, significantly increasing storage density. The flexible lower-level picking layout adapts to various vehicles, enabling rapid response to changing business scenarios and order volumes. The system assigns tasks intelligently and delivers materials directly to workstations, building a flexible and efficient smart manufacturing system. This smart transformation is not about replacing labor, but about empowering people. Employees focus on value-driven decisions, applying their intelligence and creativity to more strategic tasks.
Our work is way easier now, and we're more efficient. It just feels simple and stress-free.
Leveraging advanced digital management systems, we achieve real-time data integration across the entire process, from warehouse inventory counting and material sorting to precise production line delivery.
This project transformed me from a receiving worker into a system maintenance engineer. I've also become a key technical member of the team and gained exposure to many new technologies.
Multi-dimensional perception fusion and secure access control complement each other, together building a comprehensive, multi-layered security system.
In the future, Siemens Switchgear Limited Shanghai and Geekplus will deepen cooperation, driving end-to-end intelligent upgrading with lean digitalization as the core. Relying on big data, AI, and other technologies, we will build a smarter logistics ecosystem to enhance production efficiency and flexibility.